Everybody would love to see results immediately. However, unfortunately with aesthetics, it does take some time, and the duration really depends on what treatment you're having done. For example, your toxin injections generally take up to 2 weeks to take effect. On the day of your treatment, you won't notice anything, other than maybe a little redness in the areas where we've done the injections. About day 4, day 5, you might start to notice that when you do certain facial expressions, that the lines don't appear as deeply as normal. But by 2 weeks, it should have kicked in. And that is when we usually bring you back to review and see what the results are like. With regards to fillers, this is more instant because fillers add instant volume. So you will often see the result that you're going to get immediately. However, there will be an element of swelling there, because there always is with any injection, and that will then disappear. So you'll get that initial swelling or puffiness on day 1, day 2, that will then settle down. I usually say to patients about 3-4 weeks, you're going to be aware of that filler there. You're going to feel it under your fingertips when you wash your face, for example. You're going to feel a firmness, but you shouldn't feel any heat, you shouldn't see any redness, but you will feel it. But I always encourage you not to massage, don't do anything, just let it do its thing, because the brands that I use are so reliable that I just know they're just going to integrate into your own tissue over the space of about a month. So just let it give itself its time. Skin boosters take a couple of weeks again to show effect, depending on which ones you use. But generally, initially, your skin just looks a little bit red, but that real glow that you're looking for, usually about 2 to 3 weeks after the injectables, and can last up to 9 months depending on which brand we use. Treatments that actually stimulate your collagen take a lot longer to work. A good 3 months is normal for it to notice an effect. For example, harmonica, my ultimate favourite treatment. When you first have it injected, you notice a little bit of puffiness, just purely because of the injection technique. And then about a month later, your skin looks a bit more glowy. Now this will be the hyaluronic acid component of the harmonica because it causes hydration. And then at month 3, you will feel that nice tautness of your skin and again improvement of skin quality. And this is because this is when the hydroxycalcium apatite has really pushed up that collagen in your skin, and that's what you're seeing. It's starting to work, and the bonus is it lasts for a good year.